The French Revolution holds a significant place in world history, making it essential for everyone to understand its causes, events, and lasting impacts. But in this video, we will explore the timeline of the French Revolution. Louis XVI leadership was weak and lavish spending pushed the country towards the revolution. In 1774, Louis XVI of the Bourbon family became the King of France. The country was drowning in debt and the people were growing restless. Now 1799 built up to revolution. By 1789, things reached a boiling point. Facing a severe financial crisis, Louis XVI called a meeting of the States General, a step that hadn't been taken in 175 years. Now it's a turning point for the France in June 1789. On 20th June 1789, the Third Estate broke away and declared themselves the National Assembly, and they were demanding a new constitution. It was the first clear challenge to the royal power. July 14, 1789, it was a Bastille Day. Then came July 14, 1789, the storming of the Bastille. Bastille was a symbol of royal tyranny fell and the French Revolution had truly begun. In 1791, the first constitution was formed in France. In 1791, France adopted its first written constitution. It turned the absolute monarchy into a constitutional monarchy, which limited the king's powers. 1793, the time for the reign of terror begins. By 1793, the revolution turned dark. The king, Louis XVI, was executed by guillotine and chaos followed. This period, led by Robespierre, the radical Jacobin, launched the reign of terror where everyone seen as an enemy of the revolution was executed. Due to this, thousands were killed, even Queen Marie Antoinette and former revolutionaries. 1794 was remembered as the fall of Robespierre's reign. In 1794, Robespierre's own reign came to an end. The revolutionaries turned on him and he too was executed by guillotine. With his death, the fear erased, but stability was still far away. 1795 to 1799, this was the time where the Directory rules France. After the chaos, a new government called the Directory took over, but it was weak, corrupt, and couldn't solve France's problems. People were tired of instability. They needed a strong leader. And now it's time for the entry of Napoleon. 1799, the Napoleon rises to power. In 1799, a brilliant military general named Napoleon seized power in a coup. The French Revolution had ended and a new empire was about to begin. From absolute monarchy to revolution, terror, and finally empire, the French Revolution reshaped not just France, but the entire
Thank you
world.
for watching. Do like, subscribe and comment for more content.